Hello, David here, and the project for today is visiting one of the hottest Vietnamese restaurants in Orlando, Florida. And look at this pretty owner. Oh my gosh, how can you not want to visit this restaurant? Come here today. Get the best food you ever had.
Hi, how are you? Welcome to Anh Hồng restaurant in Orlando. Thank you so much for coming to visit us. Thank you.